Hey everybody, today I'm working on an 18 by 24 canvas. As you can see, my angle is a little bit different today. With my new camera, I don't have a wide angled lens yet, so I had to do the angle a little bit different because I couldn't get the whole canvas in an above shot. So I had to do it this way. Anyway, so I'm going to be using DecoArt Satin Enamels Pure White today. And I have all my other colors here. I've got Arttist Loft, and this is Deep Red. I've got the Fine Touch, and that one is Orange Yellow. Another Fine Touch, that one's Yellow Medium. And this one is Green from the Fine Touch. Then I've got Arttist Loft Cerulean Blue, Arttist Loft Phthalo Blue, and then my last color I mixed two together, and I've got Dioxazine Purple from Liquitex Basics, and then this one is the Fine Touch, and it is Violet. So what I'm planning on doing is I'm going to layer each color, and in between each color I'm going to put the Satin Enamel Pure White. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get started, and I'm going to start with some of the white in the bottom first. Just a little bit, not a lot. And then I'll start with the red. I'm not sure if I said this already, but this is a 16-ounce cup. All my paints are mixed with Liquitex pouring medium, floetrol, and water. And I am not adding any silicone to these paints at all. So we're going to see what happens. Hopefully this is going to be enough to cover the canvas. Just kind of winging it, so alright, we'll top that off with the rest of my white. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to move these paints out of the way, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so here's my cup of paint. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and get started. so I'm gonna go over. There's some air bubbles in here, just a few. Okay guys, I'm going to take you in for a close-up. This actually turned out really pretty, even though I'm kind of bummed that I lost pretty much all the purple, all the blue. There's a little bit of green throughout, you can see in there. I really like these colors though. I've never really been a big fan of orange, and this one I'm really liking. There's a little bit of blue right in there. You can see like right in this area there's some pretty blue. All right, I'll be back when it's dry. Sit tight. Okay guys, so here it is all dry. Take in for a close-up. Now it didn't turn out exactly how I was hoping. I mean, I still like it. The colors are so bright and pretty, and orange is not one of my favorite colors, but I do really like this one. So I think the middle turned out really good. So I'm definitely going to try this again. I'm just going to put some white around the paint so that it doesn't pull itself under. Maybe that will help. So anyway, still happy with the outcome. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, check out all my links in my description, and have a great day.